Be honest. You're watching this because you're sick of waiting for Friday. You're sick of the whole work for 40 years and then maybe enjoy it lie. Right? Look, they teach us to be good employees, but nobody teaches us how to become financially done. The market is tough and it feels like the finish line keeps moving. But here is the thing, financial freedom is not an age, it's a permanent state of not being trapped. That's what the FIRE, Financial Independence Retire Early, is really about. Gaining complete control of your most valuable asset, your time. And I am proof that you can get there way faster than you think. I quit my high paying job at age 35 because I cracked this code. I didn't start ahead. In February 2014, my net worth was a negative $35,000. If I could turn that around and hit multi millions, you can do this too. And I want to be honest, the path was messy. There were dips, bad moves, and times I crashed back right into debt. The key is having a system that lets you recover and still win. This is the Done by 40 roadmap. It's not soft and it requires focus. But if you're ready to stop selling your best years for a wage, stick around. We are breaking down the 5 essential steps. If you are serious about accelerating your timeline, hit that subscribe button right now. That's the best way to partner with Wise Elephant Finance as you build your wealth. Okay, let's start with step 1. Name the beast. Stop guessing. You need to name the beast. What is the exact dollar amount you need to feel fully financially secure? We call it your money target. Don't use a crazy online calculator. Just figure out your actual comfortable monthly budget today. Now take that number and multiply it by 300. That number is going to feel enormous. And it should. When I first did this in 2014, I was staring at that negative $35,000 and laughably high target. But by setting that huge number, you stop wasting energy on small stuff and get really focused on the one thing that matters, closing that gap. Your income is just a tool and your savings rate is the real weapon. Now that you know your target, you have to defend it. As your income grows, your spending will naturally try to follow it. This is lifestyle creep and it will destroy your ability to get free. The target gives you a clear line in the sand. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar you have to earn 300 times over to cover in freedom. That understanding is your defense against buying things you don't need just because you can afford them now. Step 2. Lock down the walls. Okay, before we build wealth, we have to stop the bleeding. This is the boring essential stuff. We're talking about basic money health. First, the debt is constantly stealing your money. Any debt over, say, 7% interest, that credit card debt or that high rate loan, you need to treat it like a house on fire. It's actively draining your growth. Focus fire until that stuff is gone. Period. I had to claw my way out of that $35,000 pit, and by October 2015, about 20 months into the journey, I was finally positive. That's how quickly dedicated focus can work. Second, your emergency money is not optional. You need 3 to 6 months of living expenses sitting somewhere secure. If you don't have that, you'll be forced to sell your investments at the absolute worst time. We call this the safety net. So go build it. Third, your borrowing history is your key to getting better deals. You can't get good interest rates for buying assets like a first home without a strong credit history. The easiest way to build it is to just get a simple credit card and put a subscription on it and pay it off in full every single month. Don't pay a cent of interest and it's ridiculously simple. Let's move on to step 3, the wealth generator. If you want to be done by 40, you can't just rely on one income stream. It's too fragile. Your main job is just the base. The real acceleration comes from something I call your passion project, or for me, just maximizing my income stream. The most sustainable income stream is one where the work itself feels like a hobby. But early on, you use those high income jobs to pump the system. Here is my personal secret. High income jobs and strategic career shifts are your rocket fuel. My husband and I switched jobs a couple of times in our careers. Every single switch or a promo or that bonus went straight into the system. You have to be willing to advocate for your worth. You have to be willing to make those moves. This is especially true now. With prices up everywhere, you can't just budget your way to freedom. You have to force your income up. If you haven't changed roles in 3 years, you're almost certainly underpaid. Go get that raise that inflation took from you. Every extra dollar is a massive multiplier when it hits your savings rate. Your primary goal here is to create an asset that does not demand your time for every dollar. Step 4. The automatic builder. Okay, you have named the beast, you have got the cash flow pump running. Now we put it all on autopilot. This is set it and forget it investing. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer before your bills are paid. That forces you to live on the rest. Next, tax breaks win. Maximize your tax sheltered accounts like 401k and an IRA. This is the simplest financial cheat code out there. And then keep it boring and buy assets. While the job pumped cash, my game changer was consistent investing in tech sector ETFs and simple index funds. I bought them regularly whether the market was up or down. I also used real estate strategically. I bought my first condo for rental, then my first home for living. I sold that home and bought a second rental condo and later bought our current home. Every transaction was designed to build or consolidate the wealth. Don't get distracted by short-term noise. I know interest rates are higher right now and holding cash looks tempting, but when you're young, your biggest asset is not your cash. It's your time in the market. Consistent buying of assets that grow, like those ETFs, trumps trying to chase short-term rates every single time. You don't need to pick the next Amazon or the next Nvidia. You need steady, reliable growth and a willingness to use smart borrowing like bank loans to buy assets that grow. Step 5. The purpose pivot. If you do these 4 things aggressively, and yes, you will have to work hard for a few years, you will hit your money target. But here is the part no one tells you. Stopping is a bad idea. The common idea of retirement, just quitting and doing nothing, is a recipe for mental decay. True financial independence isn't about running away from work. It's about running towards your true reason for being. I realized this when reading this book Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. It explains that humans need a deep purpose. When you take away that daily challenge, people often find themselves getting bored, depressed, and honestly a little lost. The real prize isn't quitting. It's the purpose pivot. It's about designing a life where you only engage in work that energizes you. For me, that meant I walked away from a high-paying job at 35 to focus entirely on my mission, to empower others on investing and building wealth. And to be honest, my husband still kept working, and that's the true definition of financial freedom, giving both partners the option, and we achieved that. I'm not retired from life, I'm just buying back my time. We are retiring from the bad work. If you're ready to start building that passion project and get your money working for you, check out our video on the passive income ideas here. Stop waiting for Friday. Start building your freedom today. Now don't leave without subscribing to Wise Help in Finance. I will see you in the next one.